friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to make these very cute and beautiful angry birds keychains. So I will show you total 5 different angry birds today. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some multicolor 3mm quilling strips, keychain holders, some jump rings, plier, black and yellow and white acrylic colors, one round brush and some yellow and white 2mm quilling strips. First I am taking red color 3mm quilling strip and making one tight coil. Here I am adding total 13 strips to make this big tight coil, and my one strip length is 45 cm. So the tight coil is ready. Secure the end. Now I am taking one more red color strip and making one loose coil. Here I am making hairs of the bird. So just open this coil little bit and make a bended teardrop shape. Like this. So in the same way I will create one more bended teardrop shape. So this is also done. Now I will connect both the hairs on top part of the bird. Just add glue and connect these bended teardrop shapes like this. Let it dry for some time. Now I am adding little peach color on the bottom part of this bird. I have created this color by mixing some yellow and white. You can skip this step, but in the original form there is a peach color part on the bottom side of the red color angry bird. So this is done. Now I am taking 1/3 strip of white color 2mm and I am making eyes. In the same way I have created one more eye, and now I have created some triangles using black strip. So I am taking half strip of black and making one small triangle. These are the tail of the birds, and for this black shade I have used 3mm strip. So just make a tiny triangle like this. Now I will connect all 3 triangles. Now I am taking half strip of 2mm yellow color and making one loose coil. Here I am making beak of the angry bird. So just add glue and secure the end and just make one more bended leaf shape. Like this. In the same way I will create one more bended leaf shape using half strip of yellow color. This time I am opening the coil little bit because we need a small size bended leaf. Now all parts are done, so I will connect each and every part on the face of angry bird. For the eyebrows, I have just joined some small black color strips with each other. You can also create thin leaf shape for eyebrows. Now I am making some eyeballs using black acrylic paint in the center of these white eyes. So our first bird is ready. Now I am taking yellow color 3mm strips, and here I am making one loose coil first. And making one triangle. This triangle is made using one strip. Now I will start wrapping some more yellow color strip around this triangle. Here I am making yellow color Angry Bird, and the yellow one looks little in triangle shape. Here I will add total 13 yellow strips to make the face of that bird. So continue this process till the last strip. So after adding total 13 strips, it will look like this. Now in the same way as previous, I have created tail, hairs and bird's features. So I am connecting all the parts on top of this. So this is also ready. Now I have created this blue color tight coil by adding total 13 strips, and I have created the hairs and tail as we did before. And now in the same way I have created beak and eyes, but for the blue Angry Bird there is a red color circular mark below his eyes. So I am taking here 1/3 strip of 2 mm red color and making one loose coil and just make a bended leaf shape by adding little glue. This is a kind of bended semicircle. You can also use your tool to bend it. In the same way I have created one more. Now I will assemble all features on top of this. This is also done. Now for the finishing touch I am adding black color eyes in the center. So third bird is also ready. Now I am making the pig. So this green tight coil is also made using 13 strips. I have added ears using half strip of green and half strip of light green. These are just a semicircles, and I have drawn some teeth, mouth and eyebrow using black and white acrylic colors. I have also created the nose using 3 strips of light green color and create the nose holes using black acrylic color. So just connect this nose to the pig, and after that I will connect eyes. Eyes are made using the same procedure as we did for red one. So cute pig is also ready. Now in the same procedure I have created this white angry bird using 13 strips of white color, and I have added the beak and tail as the same process. So all angry birds are ready. Now I will show you how to connect the keychain with the angry birds. So first insert one jump ring through his hairs like this. Connect the keychain and secure this using plier. So this is done. Isn't it very easy? So I will connect keychains to all rest of the birds. So after adding my cute little angry bird, keychains are ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.